Hi YouTubers, it's Julie. Thank you for joining me today at Juju Sparkle Bean. Please like and subscribe. Here we are at Marshall's and we're looking at some great makeup items. We have MAC there. We have this gorgeous highlighter kit here. And this is from Lancome. Beautiful colors. This is $19.99. Anastasia Subculture. Look at this palette. Beautiful eyeshadow colors here. Gorgeous. And we also have more. That one was a Too Faced. I believe it was a chocolate bar for $29.99. Aurora. This is a highlighting palette by Anastasia. Gorgeous. They have a lot of those right now. I like how they arrange those so you can see the colors and grab those. Here is a nude rose palette, great for everyday wear. Look at all these. These are glow. Here's some Color Story glow. We have glow palettes. We have Superstar. This one's gorgeous. $5.99. I want to go ahead and take a look at this. So I asked my son to go ahead and open that for us. And let's take a look at these beautiful colors. And look at these gorgeous glitters, everyone. Wow. You can see yourself from outer space. Nice. Superstar. Not bad. $5.99. I might come back and get that one. I seem to like that one a lot. We got some brushes. Spoon brushes. And let's see what else we have. We have, Shade and Light by Kat Von D. This is a real popular palette from Kat Von D. Here we are looking at lashes. We got the Wispies by Pro Beauty. Gorgeous Wispies. You get 2 of those in a pack. And those are, again, Wispies. Great for glam. Some more lashes for days. Adhesive included on this Pro Lash. $7.99. What else do we have? More lashes. And these actually are Glam Wispies, $7.99. Now that is a great deal for that many lashes. Pro Lashes for days. Here's some more lashes. And let's see this one. Great price on that. Live, Love, and Sparkle, $7.99. So most of these lashes are running about $7.99. Now let's take a look at these. Oh wow, these are great. And that includes a little makeup case with some makeup in there. Great case. Can also use that as a clutch. I love that word clutch, you guys. So clutch. Versace. We have a gift set here. Adria Danny. I hope I said that right. Elizabeth Arden. Let's take a look at this. This is an eyeshadow palette. We also $14.99. But it has a makeup bag, lipsticks, and eyeshadows. Estee Lauder, 42 shades, $59.99. This is one of those kits that have the, looks like it has powder with it, eyeshadow, so you get more bang for your buck. Look at this. This is Marc Jacobs, $12.99. You get mascara and a beautiful kit with lipstick. Gorgeous. Iconic lips, oversized lashes. That's what we want, ladies. Versace. Now moving on to the perfumes. Versace Yellow Diamond, $29.99. That looks great. Viva La Juicy. That looks like an awesome size for a bottle. I believe that's $29.99, folks. Let's take a look here. What do we have? Let's see what this is back there. Donna Karan. We like this one. Liquid Cashmere for $19.99. You get 3 different types of scents on that as under the Liquid Cashmere scent box there. Guess Girl. Tommy Girl. We've got some more Jimmy Choo gift set. White Diamonds. Here we have Michael Kors Coral, or Coral is depending on how you say it and where you live. Good price on that one. I'm going to say Coral, folks. Okay, let's move on. White Diamonds. I got a lot of white diamonds. Michael Kors Midnight Shimmer. Wonder if this shimmers actually when you spray it. Not sure, but not bad. $19.99 for Michael Kors. Not at all. And let's see what else we have. White Diamonds, Philosophy. That's $39.99. Alien by Terry Mugler. That's a very strong scent. Michael Kors. Wow, that is an awesome price. 50 bucks for that. We have now brushes by Elf. $4.99. This is one of those really nice brushes that you could use to put highlighter on. Facial powder. We've got some fan brushes back here. Assortment of brushes here on this one. $4.99. Gorgeous. I love the handles. Glitter handles. That would look great on your vanity. We've got more brushes here. I don't know, for some reason I kept going back to this one. Oh, whoops. Dropped that one. I think it went under here. Oops, let me grab that. Here we go. Look at these brushes here. They have a natural wood handle. Bamboo. This is more eco-friendly. We've got Face and Eyes Essential assortment of brush set. Powder to eye brushes. I like that set. And back here we have some that come with sponges. I think this is a really good deal for all these brushes. And also for the sponges as well. This would be a great starter kit for anybody. $14.99. I think I'm going to come back and get that when I come back to Marshall's. More blenders. And this is from Urban Studio. Look at these. $4.99. And we have this one here. $6.99 for 3. We have some other ones. This one has infused blender. $4.99. That's pretty cool. Get some skincare love action infused into your blender, folks. Can't ask for nothing more. Makeup brand. Look at these. These are cool. I like that you get a variety of different shapes and sizes. $12.99 for these sponges in assortment shapes. Okay, now going on to highlights. We got this one. $4.99. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is between these two. I'm going to say one's probably more for medium dark, and then the other one's for light to medium, for complementing your complexion. Have a great assortment of different palettes here. The Too Faced. Wow, there's Brow Envy. This is really good. And these are usually really expensive, but the price on that one, you can't beat that one for Too Faced. Let's see what else. Ellen Tracy. And we have Nicole Miller. Nice. I believe this is really nice on. Gave you that glow, shiny look. Ellen Tracy, get ready to glow. So yeah, here we are with looking at some of these highlighter palettes. $4.99. That's a great deal, ladies and gentlemen. Caribbean, Nicole Miller. Nicole Miller, what a pretty box. I like these shades because I feel that they are very great for everyday. Nothing too crazy. And what do we have? Kat Von D Metal Crush Single Eyeshadows. These are usually very expensive, but this one looks like it's been crushed literally. Alright, Elizabeth Arden. Here we have some lipsticks, lip balms by Kiss of Color. And let's see, that one's $3.99. Not bad for lip balms. It's a good deal. And some more lippies by Nicole Miller. These are glosses. These colors are very complementary to all complexions and everyday use. And let's see, Ellen Tracy. Sorry about that, my finger got in the way. We got Mac Studio. Let's take a look at this one. This one has Shine. This is a Shine and Lips Gloss set. Super Shine. Looks kind of like the Too Faced glosses that we might see in the future on the other side. This was great. And let's just go over here. So here we have some Stila. $3.99 for these guys. This is a great price. That one's $5.99. But these usually run about $20 or so at like Ulta. We've got Too Faced Melted Latex. These are very high shine pigmented, great lippies. Okay, they've got a lot of shades of purple. And let's take a look here. I see a lot of purple, you guys. What else do we see here? All right, well, thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching, and keep subscribing to my channel. Keep coming back. Thank you.